In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore an archived text message on an Android phone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you could do it on literally any Android or Samsung device that you have. And by default now, in the latest updates, your default messaging application is going to be the Google Messages app. And even if I'm on Samsung right now, if I go ahead and click on this, it shows messages, but once I open it, it's going to be the Google Messages application. So if you want to retrieve any archived messages, all I got to go ahead and do is click on the Messages application. Then on the top right, I see my profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're here, you're going to see archived as one of the options where it says more from this app. You're going to see it as the second option. Go ahead and click on that and it's going to say archived conversations appear here. It's going to show all your archives, select whichever one you want, and you're going to be able to unarchive whichever ones that you go ahead and select, and then you'll be good to go. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.